Alrighty, what is up, guys? Welcome back. New week. Yeah, no, I'm pretty hyped about this week and see how it goes. Last week was kind of slow, but hopefully this week it's gonna be a lot better. Anyways, I'm gonna keep it like really short and simple for you guys because this was, um, yeah, like there was only one direction you should have been wanting to trade, and there was maybe two setups that were there to be taken. So anyways, looking at the higher draw or higher time frame, sorry. Um there's not much, like there's no fucking daily gaps or anything of that sort, so it's kind of like irrelevant. We took out previous day lows, but yeah, and then wicked it, and then yeah, but not a whole lot. 4 hour, what was this pre-market? No, pre-market it didn't inverse this yet, but it was trading into it pretty high. So yeah. Anyways, draws for the day were, we had these highs, we had this high, and then we have obviously these highs up here, slanted highs. Just a bunch of like, I guess high resistance liquidity, I guess, but yeah, those were my draws pretty much. Also this high was my draw too. Or like this high or some shit. There's so much shit going on. Anyways, go down to 15. There was like actually jack shit. There's stuff down here, but this was fucking market open, 100 point candle on market open. So I'm immediately not looking for shorts. Immediately not looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs. What happens? Well, we don't have anything up until, was this 950, 5 minute gap. We tap. If we scale down here, we had the SMT with ES. Yes, we had SMT with internal SMT with ES. And then we had a 1 minute inversion here. Now, this was a fucking data candle, but even with that data candle there, I was fine with taking the inversion if we got it. I had so much conviction that price was going to go higher. I knew that with a move that we had at market open, it was not going to come back down. So I was willing to take this, but unfortunately, like, bro, this was like a pretty nasty stop. I can't lie. It's not terrible, but it's still like not ideal. Like, yeah, wasn't really looking forward to that. The problem was that if I did take this, like my draw is all the way up here, and there's nothing really low resistance in between. So yeah, I don't know. So that we got cucked out of, and we also, not only that, we took the data high too, so that was out of question. So what was it? All right, and then next thing, the trade I actually ended up taking was this. So let me just get rid of some of this shit right here because we don't need it anymore. Fuck. There we go. All right. So what do we get? We get a, damn, 5 minute gap right here. It's currently getting fucking inversed. Yeah, so basically what was happening was, so this trade was good. The only thing that was wrong, like not wrong about it, it was just like more of a discretion type of thing, was that, was this, okay, yeah. So my draw was these highs on NQ, and as you can see in ES, we already took those. So I was like, all right, well, NQ is probably gonna end up taking these. I know like we have some pretty heavy SMT to the downside, but like we had so much upward momentum, like there's no fucking way we're gonna just reverse off that SMT, which actually we fucking are right now. But this was like my next draw. Yeah, I mean, simple 5 minute gap tap. We had internal SMT right here. Where was it? It was like, I don't know, it was fucking like this or something. That was our SMT right there with ES. And then we had a 1 minute inversion. Very good close. So what I do, took this, and then yeah, it was like right around there. I went for 1 to 2R, like something like this. Yeah, so it looked like this. I got break even. I think a lot of people took an L on this, but that was an avoidable loss. Why? Because if you look, ES took this high, which was our break even on NQ before NQ. So that's an SMT. SMT at the highs. Yeah, I'm going break even. So I went break even, and yeah, I came back, took us out. It is what it is, but yeah, bro, like there's nothing much else we could do about today. Today was not ideal. It kind of just pumped and with no retracements whatsoever. So kind of just had to make do with what we had. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I really got for you guys today. Yeah, hopefully we catch something nice tomorrow.